Let me break it down to you. You are not that important. Don't get me wrong, you are important, but not that important. Impilo yomuntu ngeke ime ngoba wena uzizwa ndlela nathize ngalowo muntu. Awubalekanga ngaleyo ndlela. Izulu ngeke lilinde wena limamele wena ngempilo yomuntu. Awubalekanga ngaleyo ndlela. In the end, uNkulunkulu abantu bakhe bathanda ngendlela yakhe. And when you can't stand in the way of that, you are not that important. So ungakhuluma ufise uzube people ufisa ngalabo ufisa ngabo ukuthi ngathi bangehlelwa ukubi bazophumelela usufisile. Bazophuma la ocanga ukuthi ngeke baphume khona usufisile usufungile. Awubalulekanga ngaleyo ndlela. Let me break it down to you. Izulu ngeke lime ngenxa yakho. The sooner you accept the fact that you are not that important, the better for you. Awubalekanga ngaleyo ndlela. Basazokhuphuka, basazojabula, basazoshada, basazophumelela, basazobusiseka in your presence simply because you are not that important. You don't matter when it comes to how the heavens move. Ngeimpilo zabantu. Uyorefuza uzube people. Uposte, ukhulume uzube people. Izulu alimi ngawe futhi alimuvi ngawe.